What's up guys, it's your boy AB Cooking. Today I'm gonna to show you one of the easiest recipe you ever see. And all you need is red onion, tomato, paprika, some eggs, some cheese and turkey. Let's start. Cut out the middle of the onion. Chop everything finely. Peel the garlic and chop it finely. Also dice the bell peppers and tomatoes. For convenience, cut up the turkey to make mincemeat out of it. Add oil to the heated skillet, spread it on all the plain. Pour in the chopped onions and fry. Add chopped garlic, followed by sweet peppers, tomatoes and mincemeat, salt and pepper. Stir and return to the fire. Chop the herbs. Separate 3 yolks. You can use a spatula or the following method, whatever you prefer. Pour the minced meat into a bowl. Add egg white and herbs. Mix well. Add the finished consistency in the middle of the onion. Completely forgot. First grease a baking tray with oil using a brush. Put the egg yolks on top of our minced meat. We put it in the oven for 40 minutes at 200 degrees. Meanwhile, grate 50 grams of cheese.
Many minutes later.
Take out the tray with our onion and sprinkle the cheese on top. Return to the oven for 5–10 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Portion out on a plate, garnish with parmesan, herbs, and enjoy a simple and most importantly incredible tasty recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Good luck!